This is how to send email from Gmail email address to a Yahoo Mail email address. First is to launch your web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Firefox. Okay, so I'll click on it for it to open. Once it opens, visit gmail.com and log in into your Gmail address. Here am I. I'm logged into my email address, Gmail address automatically because I saved my login details on this browser. Okay, let's get to the next step. Click on the Compose tab. All right. This new section, this page will open by this side, by the right. So in this to section, type the email address. That is the Yahoo Mail address, okay? After typing in the email address, it will show up under here as confirmation. So click on it. And now the email is fully assigned here. Okay. Then in the subject area, give it a subject. So I'll click here and then give this a subject. Okay, here it reads a reminder of tomorrow's meeting. All right. So click in this body area section and then compose your email. Okay. It can be as detailed as you want. All right, so here I'm done composing this email. It reads, this is a reminder of the meeting that starts by 4 p.m. tomorrow, which is on Friday. So once you're done composing anything, everything you want to tell him or her, then click on send button. And this email is sent to and at this point, this email has been sent to him. Okay? If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.